the hot sun beat down on Kumasi, and the river, it stopped singing. "My child," Nana said softly, "we forgot to thank the river, and now it waits." So Ajua carried her courage like kente cloth and walked into the forest. Beneath the old tree, she sang, not with pride, but with a humble heart. From the quiet water, a bright spirit rose, smiling at her. Then the sky opened wide, and rain fell on Kumasi again. Joy returned.
The story you just watched, I created it using Grok AI and a free Chrome extension. No expensive software, no complicated tools. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create African folktale stories, from writing the script to generating the scenes to producing a full cinematic video. And most importantly, I'll show you how to turn these videos into a real income stream. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your own African stories, beautiful, emotional, and ready to publish and monetize. So let's get started.
Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mavumbi, and on this channel I share simple tutorials about AI tools and ways to make money online.
First thing first, we need a good story from ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT, sign up with them, and we are going to give him a prompt about a story we want to create, or you can ask him, he can give you a good viral African folktale story. So in here, I give him a prompt for him to create me a story. This is the story he created for me. Now, if you want me to share the prompt, please let me know in the comment below. I'm happy to share this prompt. So he created a story for me now here, and I ask him to create, in this story, I ask him to make a story into 6 scenes. So I need to break this story down in 6 scenes. So he create all 6 scenes for me here. So this is the first step first. And we'll take these scenes from here to ChatGPT, and we're going to put them into Grok AI animation. This is the next step. I'm going to show you how to install Grok AI animation from Google Chrome. That's the next step. Go to Google and type Chrome Web Store. Click this one, Chrome Web Store. This is going to be your page here. Type Grok AI Automation. And choose this is the right one. This is the right one. Click this one and add the extension in your computer. And once you're here, go back where your extension are and click here, navigate. Now, this is going to be our Grok AI, which we're going to set the Chrome. We're going to set the extension Grok AI, which is going to be this one here. Okay, so in this place now, we are dealing with this side here. See this side? That's why we're coming to deal with this. So here, there's a text to video, there's a frame to text, there's a text to image, and the image to video. So we go all these things. I'll show you step by step on how to do all of this. It's very easy and very simple. So come here, you see here, one prompt. And here you can change prompt delay 30 seconds. You can reduce, is up to you, but automatic is going to be 30 seconds. Okay, and once you finish there, so here, this is the place here we're going to add our prompt. But first thing first, we need to come here, settings. You see here, come here, settings. Okay, so settings, we want here text to video. That's what we want, because we're taking our text, which is our story, we're going to turn that story into video. Next thing here, you can change aspect ratio. You can choose wherever you want here, but in this video I'm going to show you how to create 16:9. Okay, so this is going to be here, and the prompt is going to be 1. Okay, so here second is default 6 seconds, and come all this place, you come here. Now the next thing you need to change here the quality. So choose the highest quality, which is 720. Okay, and the language is English. Guys, let me tell you, this is very, very good, because not only is going to give you the video, is going to add the sound, is going to do all those good stuff. So once you finish here, you're happy with everything, your settings. Okay, so we come back to here, see your control, which is text to video. Everything is done. Now we come to put our prompt here. So I'm going to copy all my 6 scene for the video I'm going to create. So I'm copying all of this and I'm taking this to Grok AI. So come to Grok AI and I come here where they say prompt. I'm going to paste all these 6 scene here. Okay guys, so this is my 6 scene here. I have, can you see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Once you finish this, you happy, click run and just let's wait. Okay, right, so now all our videos finished. You see here it says completed, so all our video is finished. Guys, this is amazing. If you want to do African folktale, if you want to do any stories, you see he finished all my 6 scenes. He finished that and he upscale the image to HD, and then he download the image automatic in my computer. So this is just amazing.
Now let me show you something powerful. This African folktale story you just watched, the one about Adwa from Kumasi, is not just a beautiful story. It is a digital asset. And digital assets can generate income. First, you can upload these stories on YouTube. African folktales are unique. They are emotional. They stand out. When you create consistent storytelling videos like this, you can grow an audience. And once your channel is monetized, YouTube pays you through ads. Second, you can turn each story into short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Short storytelling content performs very well, especially cultural and inspirational stories. More views means more creator fund earnings and brand deals. Third, you can sell these story videos. Businesses, schools, and African culture pages are always looking for content. You can create custom folktale animations and charge per project. And here's where it becomes powerful. Once you learn the system, script, generate scenes with Grok, add a narration, you can repeat it. 1 story per week, 4 stories per month, that becomes a content machine. So you are not just creating stories, you are building a digital storytelling brand. And with consistency, that brand can become income.
And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you've seen how to create African folktale story videos using AI tools, and how this can become a real income stream. If you want me to personally guide you step by step, to hold your hand and help you build your own storytelling income system, I offer one-on-one support. You can find the details in the description below. And if you want to rewatch this video at your own pace, all the important links and tools are in the description. Also, make sure you visit my membership and my Gumroad store. I've added full courses, deeper training, templates, and free resources to help you move faster. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.